Forgive me. I shouldn't have left in the middle of our fight. Let's finish this! 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 Let's finish this!
Pickle had taken 5 direct kicks to the head from Jack's powerful legs. How much damage had he suffered? In truth, not very much. Why then was Pickle running from him? It was that he'd never seen anything like this man before. An opponent that won't stop when it's killed, that won't die when it's dead. Even that one hadn't tried to attack him after he'd killed him. That was the rule, wasn't it? Caring nothing about the future, he lived only for the present. Jack had chosen to undergo experiences unknown in Pickle's natural world.